Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the T3 1-inch straightening iron and styling tool, which I just recently got off of Costco.com. I am a busy mom of 3 and I make beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos along with review videos just like this. So if you're excited to see this unboxing and see my review, then please keep watching. Okay, so I got this box in the mail today and this is what it looks like. So basically it looks like they just took the box and they just wrapped it in plastic, which is fine. I totally get that. It's actually been quite a while since I've purchased a flat iron. I want to say it's actually been at least 15 years since I bought a straightening iron. And I guess the reason is I just didn't see much of a point, but just recently my hair has just been doing all kinds of crazy things along with turning gray right here. Just recently I've been blow drying my hair. It just seems to, for the most part, be okay and be straightened sort of. And then there's just all these baby hairs that for some reason I've just always had baby hairs here. I've never been able to grow out my hair around here. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, so I'll just go ahead and stop talking and pull this out. And okay, so this is the box and it is the T3 Singlepass ceramic 1-inch straightening and styling iron. And you can see it's just very chic and it just says even and consistent heat for smooth frizz-free styles. That is the key. The frizz-free part is just definitely key for me because as you can kind of see, I don't know if you can see that my hair is just kind of all over the place. It's just very frizzy. It's just, I've tried so many things to contain the frizz and it just doesn't seem to ever want to work. Basically, the selling point for these is that it's supposed to straighten your hair in one single pass, right? Beautiful outside, powerful inside. And let's just go ahead and open this up. I was thinking, okay, I think I need to invest in a straightening iron because the one that I have right now, well, it's not even mine anymore. I gave it to my daughter, but it's just, you know, it's a super cheap straightening iron that I got from Conair. So I had been looking at the T3 website. It's not a cheap brand, but the flat irons that I was looking at, they were like upwards of $120 and I just couldn't do it. Especially because I knew just depending on the day I may or may not use it. I was really excited because I found this on Costco.com and it was $69.99. I just jumped on that because, you know, I figured, I know that they do go on sale around Christmas time, but I figured, you know, right now I might as well, why not? So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up. And this is what it looks like when you first open it up. It's just got this getting started guide, tips for one-pass styling. This is what it looks like. So it's really nice because it's got this swivel cord, so you're not going to get all tangled up in yourself. And then it's got this on button in the pretty rose gold. And I want to say, I can't say for sure until I plug this in, that these are the heat indicators. Got these nice ceramic plates inside. It's very slim, it's very sleek. It has the T3 logo right here. And then also right here on the other side. It's just really nice. Just you can see in comparison the two, just this one is just so bulky and big and it's getting caught up in my hair. So what we're going to do, I mean, my hair is just, for the most part, it's kind of straight, but it needs some work. So, and this is really nice. It looks like a nice long cord, but it's nice because it has this Velcro right here. So when you're not using it, you can just kind of roll it up and it is going to be just very compact storage for you. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in. Okay, so it's plugged in and then we're just gonna go ahead and turn up the, well, I wanna say turn up the volume and then, ooh, you see that it's just sort of starting to light up right there, the heating indicator. And then it does say right here, fine, damaged, or chemically treated hair, which my hair totally is. It's not fine, but it's definitely damaged, is going to be a setting of 2. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. So the way it works is you just keep tapping twice twice until you get to your preferred indicator. So right now I'm at 2, which is where I want to be. But if I wanted to go to 3, for example, I'll just click it again. You can see right here that it's still blinking. So I'm guessing that once it stops blinking, that means it's ready to heat up your hair. So I'm just gonna go leave that right there. And then what I'm gonna do in the meantime, I'm gonna use this Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. It's a heat protectant. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I look sort of like a drowned rat. Actually, this is kind of a cute look. My hair is very thin though. And you can see right here that it's already lit up and it's already ready to go. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started with it. So again, this is supposed to be able to straighten your hair in one single pass. I'm not primarily doing this to straighten my hair so much as just kind of get rid of some of the frizz. And for the most part, I just want to do the hair that's sort of around my face just to get a good indicator. I don't think I'm going to go around my entire head with this. So we'll just see if this will go in one single pass. Okay, so you can kind of see here that it is straight and it's sizzling. The hair is sizzling because it's still got that protectant on it. I'm not quite sure. Well, I guess it kind of is going through a single pass. It seems to be doing the job, even though I keep going over it in more than just a single pass. I am just gonna go through and just do a little bit more of this. I'm gonna utilize my swivel right here. Okay, so you can see already that this side is just sort of a mess still, and this side is just nice and sleek and smooth. It's just really nice. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side. I have so many baby hairs up here that it is going to need more than just a single pass. I really like the way that this feels in my hand. It's just very sleek and smooth and lightweight in comparison to this one right here, this dinosaur right here. I know that I'm going through this in a lot more passes than just one single pass, but it is really just because I've just got so much frizziness happening right here. That's just what the situation is right now. We're just going to continue along. It looks pretty good, I'd say. And then this is what it looks like. So it was actually a pretty nice indicator of what this handy little tool can do for you, right? Because even though I was just looking at it for frizz control, it definitely smoothed everything down. It definitely straightened a little bit more than it already was. So my hair is naturally sort of wavy / very frizzy. So what you saw at the beginning of this video, that is what my hair looks like after I just get out of the shower, run a blow dryer through it. But if I weren't to run a blow dryer through it, then it would just sort of look like a crazy mess. So I'm definitely excited to continue using this and see what else it has to offer me, especially on those days when I don't feel like blow drying my hair. So only time will tell, but from what I can see from this single use, I am really excited about this product. I would definitely recommend it, and like I said, if you're a Costco member, you have access to this, definitely feel free to check that out. I will go ahead and leave a link in the description box below so you can see the exact design and model that I purchased. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you like this video and review, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. If you're interested to see more of my videos here on YouTube, I will go ahead and leave a playlist right here. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!